miles. I hit the 900 mile mark. Now I'll have all kinds of problems. But I'm gonna start the car and let you guys hear exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna start it and probably shut it down because their tensioners work, but you have to build oil pressure first, so it's probably gonna make a lot of noise. Here, all right, here we go. Oh yeah, you can hear it. So I shut it off right away. Oh no, it's still doing it. Yeah, but yeah, I'll start it and get it running in a second here, but you can hear how bad it is. Everything's timed right. Brand new timing chain tensioner, Skunk 2 tensioner, and this is a Frank motor, so I'm using K24A2 timing chain. I even put the upgraded Z3. It's the guide, yeah, the top guide off the Z3 is a little bit longer. It even has that. That's brand new too. All right, let's get it started. Okay, there it goes. Now it built oil pressure, so okay, seems to be sounding a lot better now. But usually after I drive it for a bit, it'll start making that noise. It makes it from like idle to, I would say, about 2,600, but I can hear it up to 3,000 RPMs. And no matter what I do, I can't seem to get it to go away. I might just, since I'm going turbo, I might just sell these cams and then switch back to maybe buy a set of Type R cams. I mean, a lot of people say they get the TSX, but honestly, I'm into high RPM, and I believe that the Type R has, what was it, the most duration out of them. I know that the TSX, the 06 specifically on up, has a better primary lobe, which is better for like autocross and that kind of stuff. But this car spends, when I do race, all its time in Vtec, and I believe the Vtec lobes are bigger on the Type R, and the TSX has bigger low cam lobes. So you can kind of, now that it's warming up, you can kind of hear the idle a bit. Like, you can hear a slight rattle, but let me see. Yesterday it was doing it bad. I was driving it. It actually sounds pretty better than it did yesterday. Yeah, I was gonna take the timing cover off and check for chain stretch. But I don't know if I want to do that, because I got to take the motor mount off, jack up the engine, and then pull the side cover off, and without taking the engine out, and then using Honda Bond and sealing it all up. I don't know if I want to do that again. But it actually sounds way better than it did. Yeah, it's not too bad right now. Yeah, that's my key pro rev limiter right there, so it's not gonna let me rev past that idle. But yeah, it's not doing it too bad right now. I'll make another video and show you when I'm driving around and see if I can get it to do that rattling. Alright, thanks.